Hello students, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do this question. It's a Cambridge past examination question. So let's just check this diagram. Just look at this diagram and try to remember the theorems. So let's check this chord. So this chord is subtending which angles? So let's check the triangles from this chord. So this triangle, this one, is from this chord, and this triangle is from the same chord. So we say that the angles subtended by this chord are the same. So which angle is being subtended by this chord? Is 20, and the other angle subtended by this chord is which angle? This one, U. So we can conclude that our U is 20. We can finally say our U is 20, and the reason is these two angles are subtended by the same chord. That is our theorem. All right. After this, here you can see that we have this 72, but before that, let's deal with the angles subtended by the same chord first. See, we talked about this chord. We also have this chord. This chord, this one. So this chord is subtending which angles? So let's see the triangles from this chord. So we have this one, and the angle subtended by this chord from this triangle is 72. Okay? And then another triangle is this one, subtended by this chord. So the angle subtended by the same chord is this one. So we can conclude that this is 72 degrees. Right? After this, let's see, we have this triangle with 72, 56, and this angle here. Right? So we can say that the angles inside a triangle, they add up to 180 degrees. So what we can say 72 plus 56, then we subtract from 180 to get this one. If we say 180 minus, we just add, okay, let's say 72 plus 56, then the answer we get, we subtract it from 180. Okay, so we say 180 minus, the answer we get here is 8 and 12, so it's 128. So 180 minus 128, it will give us, I think it's 52. So that if we say 72 plus 56 plus 52, we're going to get 180. Okay, now we are done with this chord. Let's see the other chord, this one, this chord. So this chord is subtending which angles? Let's see the triangles from this chord. So we have this one, this triangle. The other triangle from the same chord is this one. So the angles subtended by this chord is angle V and angle 52. So we can say these two angles are equal. So angle V is also 52 degrees. Right? All right. So now we have our V. Our V is 52 degrees. Our U is 20 degrees. Then now we have to find our X and we have to find our W. Okay. What other thing do we have? If we can see this part, this triangle, this triangle. So we know the angles in a triangle, they add up to 180 degrees. So if we say 52 plus this whole angle is 72 plus 20, which is 92. So if we say 52 plus 92, then we subtract from 180. In that case, we can get our x, right? Okay. So in that case, we have 52 plus 92, then we subtract from 180. So we are going to get 36 as our x. To get x, 52 plus 92. Then we subtract from 180 minus this one. So we are going to get this part as 36. So now let's use this chord, the last chord. So these two angles are subtended by the same chord, that is 36. If this one is 36, this one is also 36, right? Okay, also you can use this part here, because if we see something like this way, if this angle is 20, this one is also 20. Okay, how can I get this one? I can see this is a straight line. So 20 and this angle, they are on a straight line. So if I say 180 minus 20, I will get this angle. Then this angle is equal to this one. Wherever I have if I have that x or these crossing lines, these two angles are equal, these ones are equal, these two ones are equal. Then, but this line is a straight line. So this angle and this angle, they add up to 180 degrees. So here I can say that this one is 56. To get this one, I can say that 180 minus 56, I will get what? 124. This one and this one are the same, 124. Okay? Also, if you can try to use a cyclic chord, I have so many cyclic quadrilaterals here. So this one, these corners are touching the circumference of your circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this angle plus this angle, they must give me 180 degrees. Also, I can use another cyclic chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these corners are touching the circumference of a circle. So it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the opposite angles of a cyclic chord, they add up to 180. So in this case, if I'm using this cyclic chord, this one is 72. So this one will be 180 minus 72. Because we say that the opposite angles of a cyclic chord, they add up to 180. So if I say 180 minus 72, this one will give me 108 degrees. Right? So I can say my W is 108 degrees. My X is 36 degrees. That's all. So the theorem which was ruling here is that the angles subtended by the same chord, they are equal. Usually they call these owl's ears, like where we have these two angles equal, 20 and 20. Why? They are subtended by the same chord. These two angles, 36 and 36, they are equal. Why? They are subtended by the same chord. Again, 52 and 52, they are equal. Why? They are subtended by the same chord. 72 and 72, they are equal. They are subtended by the same chord. Right? Also, take note of these. When you see the crosses the opposite angles are equal, the opposite ones are equal. Then 56 and 124, they are on a straight line, so they add up to 180. That is all you have to do on this question, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe.